Hello there, I'm Jim. Welcome back to Soldier Farms. Today I'm in the shop. I'm going to turn the Twist ballpoint pen kit from Strong Ink, and this is kit number PKM-9-CH. I'll show you that QR code just in case you would like to take a look at the documentation for the kit online. Strong Ink makes fantastic kits. That's not a secret to anybody. You've heard a ton of us on YouTube tell you how great they are. Check them out for yourself. You will not be disappointed. So I'm going to lay our kit aside, and I'll angle you down here so you can take a look at what I've done. Let's see, do we squish together that way? We do. Alrighty. Okay, so what you see is me having the foibles and fumbles of assembling something without consulting the instructions. But we got it together in the end. We have a better understanding of the pen and how the kit fits together. And I have a very nice executive ballpoint pen. And our mechanism works perfectly. And then this nib tip will come off. You can unscrew that and like so. And change your cartridge. And this pen is fantastic. It is like, it looks beautiful. The walnut looks good. That CA finish is just like glass. And it'll give you a pen that will last for years. Of course, you have to replace the cartridge. Cross cartridge lasts a long time. You know, usage and all that factored. But this is beautiful. And Strong Ink just makes a beautiful pen kit. So come on over for the money shot. Ta-da! Ta-da! Alright, great. So, thank you for joining me as I found my way through another one of these kits. Shortcomings are on my part, absolutely nothing to do with the pen. Strong Ink makes a fantastic kit. I'm just finding my way through it, and if I were wise, I would go and print the instructions for each one. But it really is not that difficult. Once you do a couple of them, you can figure it out. This is just a different style. Everything presses, everything fits. It's really great. So have a great day, and I'll see you for the next one.